Have you seen this creature? A bird-like creature with two heads on a human-like body. If you notice, this creature lifts a huge elephant with one hand. From this, we can understand that this creature is much bigger than an elephant. But actually, there is no such creature anywhere on our earth. And if you understand what this creature is, write about this creature in the comment section below. I will give you a hint about this creature. It is the official state emblem of Karnataka. If you understand, pause the video and comment below before watching the full video. According to Puranas, when Vishnu came to earth as Narasimha to defeat the evil king Hiranyakashipu, he became uncontrollable. After tasting the king's blood, he started causing chaos, scaring even the gods. They asked Shiva for help. Shiva transformed into Sharabha, a creature with a lion and bird's body, to calm Narasimha. Instead, Narasimha became angrier. Out of his body came Gandaberunda, which had two bird faces, a powerful celestial being, even stronger than Sharabha. They fought for 18 days, destroying everything around them. On the 18th day, Gandaberunda stopped and realized the huge destruction they had caused. He split into two, and Vishnu appeared from the middle of the fearsome creature. Shiva returned to his original form too. They both went back to the heavenly home, and peace returned to earth. And this creature you have seen is Gandaberunda, an incarnation of Lord Narasimha.